Our Adage portion at Barre is able to be done in different ways, so we'll practice different steps that are slow, or as by definition, at ease or leisure. A couple of the ones that I begin with for our dancers would be Developpé versus Enveloppé. So, Developpé is where we develop our leg. Enveloppé, think of folding an envelope. To do a Developpé, we'll practice through the coupe, extend our leg down through the tendu, and close. To go to the side, same thing. Through the coupe, to the tendu, and close. To do an enveloppé, we would reverse that movement. We would go through the tendu, lift through the dégagé, hold to coupe, and close. Same thing. This can also be done to the back as well, in which case the développé would go through either the wrapped or the back position, so the derrière position. Extend through the tendu and close, and the enveloppé would go through the tendu, dégagé, and through the derrière or the wrapped position and close. This can also be done up through our passe as well, in which case we would take it up to our knee, extend, down, and close, or we would enveloppé, in, and close. Again, this can be done en croix, so to the front, to the side, to the back, and oftentimes to the side again. And it's just a good way to get your leg moving. Anytime you go through an attitude position, you're strengthening your hamstrings. So this would be a low attitude as we extend and as we pull it back in. That is huge for being able to strengthen our hamstrings because it's not just about our flexibility. We need to be able to have the strength to move our leg as well. And développés and enveloppés do a great job of setting us up for the strength that we need, especially as we take our leg higher and higher. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.